Hi everyone, welcome to Real Talk Homes and Hassle PH. My name is Marian and I'm a property consultant here in the Philippines. This podcast is all about real estate, simple money decisions, and building your future step by step, especially for OFWs and Filipino who want to own their dream home one day. If you've ever asked yourself, kaya ko bang makabili ng bahay? Then you're in the right place. I decided to start this podcast because I realized a lot of people want to buy a home, but they don't know where to start. Some feel overwhelmed, some feel like kulang pa ang income, and some are just afraid to take the first step. As someone working in real estate, I've talked to a lot of clients, especially OFWs, who are working hard abroad but still unsure how to turn their income into a real asset like house or condo. And that's why I'm here to simplify everything for you. Let me tell you this honestly. You don't need to be rich to start. Most people think kailangan milyon agad. But in reality, there are properties where you can start with only reservation fees, then small monthly down payments. For example, some homes only require around 10,000 to 20,000 reservation, and then 8,000 to 15,000 monthly. What matters is not how big you start, but that you start with the right information. If you're planning to buy a home, here's your first step. Know your monthly budget. Ask yourself, magkano ba ang kaya kong hulugan monthly without stress? Because buying a home is not just about approval. It's about sustainability. You want something you can pay comfortably, not something that will pressure you every month. If you're listening right now and you're still unsure, that's okay. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to take the first step. And I'll be here to guide you. If you found this helpful, follow this podcast on Spotify and share this with someone who dreams of owning their own home. And on the next episode, we'll talk about what documents you actually need to buy a house in the Philippines. See you there.